Hello friends, welcome to Mariner's Point. Today in this video, I am going to explain how to change purifier into clarifier. First, we should understand what its separate and construction and its working operation. Then we can easily understand how will we convert purifier into clarifier. Let us start. First, we understand its working principle. The basic principle the basic principle of separation is a gravity difference. The basic separation is a gravity difference. Let us understand from basic. In old age, there is a ball in which fuel oil is left for few days. Due to gravity difference, that means mass difference, mass difference of water and fuel oil is different, and and the mass of water is more. That's why water is settled down and fuel oil is in the upper surface. But it has so many disadvantages. This simple gravity separation is displaced by centrifuge. Then what is centrifuge? Centrifuge is a process by which gravity effect, that means gravity effect, it is left for few days, and that means by its own weight water settle down in the wall. But now centrifuging is a process by which gravity effect can be amplified by the use of centrifugal force. That means that simple gravity effect is displaced by centrifugal force. Let us understand it by figure. Now that ball is now rotated with some angular velocity omega. That means it has given angular velocity. That means ball is rotated. Then what will happen? Now we know, as we know that when any body rotated with angular velocity omega, then centrifugal force is equal to m omega square r. M is the mass of particle which is rotating. Now we will see in this figure, mass, as we know, mass of water is greater than mass of fuel. Now m omega square r fuel and water. That means centrifugal force acting on the water is more. That means water will move more because force applied it on more as compared to fuel oil. Now this centrifugal force also act on the dirt particle, as we can see in the figure that water and dirt will move and stick to the periphery of the ball. Now we will understand a clarifier. What is clarifier? Clarifier is a centrifuge. Clarifier is a centrifuge. We can see in the figure. What is the function of clarifier? It removes solid particles from fuel. Clarifier removes solid particles from purifier. You can see in the figure, this is the dirt particle and the fuel oil, clear fuel oil coming out through this outlet. Now we understand what is purifier. Purifier is also a centrifuge, but it did the work of removing water and solid particle from fuel oil. You can see in the figure, this is the dirt and water coming out through water outlet, and this is fuel oil coming, pure fuel oil coming through fuel oil outlet. Now you can understand working principle. Now we understand that how purifier and clarifier did work did their operation. Now we understand, as we know that purifier removes water, then in purifier there must be a water outlet, but in clarifier there is no water outlet, only fuel oil outlet. Understand? Now we can read basic principle of purifier in detail. Then for a starting of purifier we require sealing water. What is the use of sealing water? The use of sealing water we can understand. What is the use of sealing water? Sealing water in purifier, water sealing is established before introduction of oil. In purifier, before introduction of oil, we require sealing water. Why? So that oil filling does not flow through the heavy liquid. When we started filling fuel oil, then it started coming out through water outlet. That's why we require sealing water. That means purpose of sealing water is to prevent the overflow of oil through the water outlet in a starting purifier. When we start the purifier, at that time, to prevent the overflow of oil through the water outlets, that is the main purpose of sealing water line. Now we understand two things. Now we can convert purifier into clarifier. Let us figure once time. We can see that this is the disc stack and this is the outlet, and in the purifier this is the blind disc. This line is blind disc, there is no hole, and this is the disc stack and this is the water outlet. That means gravity disc is here, this is blind disc, and in this figure no sealing water. So but when we start purifier, to prevent from overflow of oil we require sealing water. We understand three things in purifier. Let us we can convert purifier into clarifier. How can we convert purifier into clarifier? First, open the purifier and place the blind disc at the bottom of disc stack. We saw that there is no blind disc in the clarifier in this line. That means we have to open purifier and remove this blind disc is fitted at the bottom. Now next question is, in purifier we require sealing water to prevent overflow of oil. That means now we seal off a blank of the sealing water line. Understand? Now third point is, in clarifier there is no water outlet, and if we want to convert purifier into clarifier, then in purifier we have to blank off the water outlet of purifier. Now we understand how can we convert purifier into clarifier. First thing, we have to open the purifier and place the blind disc at the bottom of disc stack, and second point is the water outlet is blocked by seal on the gravity disc, because in clarifier there is no water outlet, because clarifier did the work of removing solid particles from fuel oil. And third point is, we have to blank off the inlet line of sealing water line, because in clarifier there is no requirement of sealing water line. we know that what is the purpose of sealing water line. Now we will also understand what is gravity disk. Gravity disk Gravity disk is a ring fitted at the top of disk stack from where water is passing out. And what is the main purpose? It is the work of creating the correct line of interference between the water and oil, and it is very important to select the correct gravity disk size. It is given by manufacturer. Now we learn how we change purifier into clarifier, and if you like my video, and then please share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.